Ever wonder why some food trucks look like they run on pure chaos while others move like a Swiss watch dipped in barbecue sauce? The secret is not the food, it is the menu, and specifically something called a build-your-own platter system. Picture the classic taco bar setup where you pick your protein, pick your toppings, and boom, you have a plate that feels custom-made just for you. That is customization, and customers love feeling like a chef even when they just pointed at things. But here's the catch nobody talks about. If every single order is a snowflake with zero rules, your kitchen turns into a circus with no ringmaster. That is why smart vendors build what we call set components, basically a limited menu of building blocks instead of infinite chaos. Think of it like a Lego set instead of a bucket of random plastic pieces. You still get creativity, but every piece is designed to click together. So instead of offering 50 different sauces, you offer 5 that all pair well with every protein and every side. This is where the real magic word comes in, and that word is efficiency. Because efficiency is what keeps your line moving and your stress level low. If a customer can build 20 different combinations from just 5 ingredients, that is not a limitation. That is basically edible math. Let us talk numbers for a second because this is where people get surprised. If you have 5 proteins, 4 sides, and 3 sauces, that is 60 possible combinations from just 12 ingredients total. That is the kind of efficiency that would make a factory line manager weep tears of joy. You are not stocking 60 different things, you are stocking 12 things that remix into 60 different experiences. Now, here's a common misunderstanding. People think customization means more prep work, but it usually means smarter prep work. You are prepping components in bulk, not customizing each ticket from scratch like some sad short-order cook in a 1955 diner movie. History actually backs this up. Cafeterias back in the day figured this out with steam trays and sneeze guards, they just did not have a fancy name for it. Modern food trucks and event vendors basically took that same idea and gave it a glow-up with better branding and Instagram lighting. Community feedback from vendors constantly proves one thing. Customers do not actually want unlimited choices. They want meaningful choices. Give someone infinite options and they freeze like a laptop with 47 browser tabs open. Give them 5 good options and they decide in seconds. Let us bust another myth while we are here. People assume more menu items equals more sales, but that is not always true. A tighter menu with smart combos often increases speed, reduces waste, and somehow still feels more personal to the customer. Preparation is really the hero of this whole story because a good pickup menu is basically a puzzle you solved before the event even started. You are not improvising on site. You already decided your proteins, your sides, your sauces, and your portion sizes ahead of time. There is also a psychological trick hiding in here. When people build their own platter, they feel ownership over the choice, so satisfaction goes up even if the ingredients are identical to a preset combo. It is the same reason a build-your-own sundae feels more exciting than someone just handing you a sundae, even if it is literally the same ice cream. So the real lesson here is not about food at all, it is about designing systems that feel flexible on the outside while staying organized on the inside. Rational planning up front creates the illusion of spontaneous choice for the customer, and honestly, that might be the smartest kind of magic trick in the entire event vendor world. If you want to learn more about building smarter vendor menus and running a smoother event business, check out our links in the description.